Every painting I create starts as a tiny spark. Let me show you how these small ideas may grow into full-size abstracts. My sketchbooks and this growing collection of loose pages have become such a big part of my practice over the years. These little painting experiments are sparks of inspiration that may or may not become future large paintings. I treat these papers like a visual journal. They're moments of intuition, tiny conversations in color and line. And I include all my palette papers too. When I use the disposable palette sheets I get at the art supply store, I don't dispose of them. They're great for my stash, and I use these not only for color inspo, but they make great collage papers, and I add them right into my work. Working small in my sketchbook or on loose paper lets me stay playful. There's no pressure to create anything finished, and I can explore freely without worrying about ruining a big canvas. It's a great way to stay connected to creativity. Working small helps me discover what feels alive, the colors, the rhythms, the energy that wants to come through. I rarely know which of these small pieces will turn into a larger painting. They're simply a part of my practice now. I have stacks and stacks of them, and sometimes I'll flip through just to reconnect with colors, or marks that spark something in me again. It's actually quite fun to be inspired by your own work. Some of these studies also become collage papers, which eventually find their way into my bigger pieces. And sometimes I'm just exploring color, seeing what themes are calling to me in the moment. Other times I'm starting a new series, and these small papers help me shape the color palette. I play around until something feels right. These little studies remind me that creativity often begins in simple, quiet moments. You don't need a perfect plan, just a spark. And sometimes that small spark is enough to inspire a large painting. Thanks for spending some time with me today. I hope it encourages you to honor your own small sparks, those tiny ideas that lead you somewhere bigger, even if you don't know where yet.